What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is John Hart. Welcome to my trading channel. This is a channel that I made to do research and then also looking at the technical chart. So today I want to talk about GameStop and AMC. Will GameStop go to $1,000? That is the $1,000,000 questions that we're gonna go over from the technical chart, if it's possible or not. So at this point right now, GameStop closing around 300-ish, and we basically aiming for $1,000. This is what Wall Street bets are aiming for. All right, without further ado, let's go check it out. I'm gonna share my screen here. All right, guys, so the first chart that I would like to go into is silver. And I think this is a top pick for next week play. I really like this because, first of all, we're seeing a MACD is curving, right? This has potential to go up. And then also the volume on Thursday, Thursday is low, but Friday, look at that. The volume spike at least 3 times of the normal, I guess. I'll take it back. So the normal would be this much, right? I mean, the last spike on the volume, we're looking at 390 millions right there. You can see that there's a lot of influx on that, right? A lot of money coming in and bring the silver basically to the new high at $27. I did participate on this before. I sell put at 22.50 and then it went up to 25, sold it. But I'm interested to buy either like a silver futures. So on Sunday night, which is the Sunday evening, the future open. I'm interested to see if this has a lot of potential. People are buying in, right? And then the second, when the market open on Monday morning, I want to see how's the pre-market is working out as well, the volume that coming in. So that's why this is my number one top pick to play next week. So, and then yeah, if we looking at there's a lot of influx, then I'm looking at first will be this guy, right? 27.39 will be the first, and then second we're gonna target to $32. Okay, $32. It's my next target if we can bring a lot of volume coming in, and then 37. Okay, this is the Fibonacci target for 127 and 168. Is it accurate 100%? No, but at least this is the target. But I like that number 30 and 32 because it sounds, and also 34 right here, right? We can test the last high. Let me mark it here just in case. In case I forgot. Oh, excuse me. 34 right there, right? 32 to 34 would be the target for silver. I like this. I really like this. Let's take a look on weekly too. How is looking at the weekly? Weekly, MACD is curving. Let's take a look on daily. It's also curving. Look at that. So the volume start from Thursday, and then you can see. So any pullback is a buyable. Even though breach that 25 is also buyable. First target 27. Was it 30? Yeah, 27.39. Let me mark it as well, just in case. Okay, and then put it here. First target. That's high, right? You can put the date if you like. This was on August 8/20, right? And then the second target would be that 27. You can put that line as well if you like, or I'll do the 34, which is that is more reasonable. So yeah, that's for silver. Now let's go to GME. the highest at $483. Let me put it right here, $483, which is the highest, right? Now, where is the stock right now? We're basically close at 325. So that is, if we look at from the technical chart itself, from the highest peak at 64, we're technically already hit, 5x on the closing by, from Friday. Now the question is, can we go up to $1,000? Let's take a look. Volume chart, it's pretty huge. Volume is insane, right? MACD, it's curving, it looks nice. Is it overbought? Yes, it is overbought, but keep in mind, it can continue going up if there's a power surge behind it. I mean, people want to buy it, they want to hold it. That's like the $1 million question that we want to answer with technical chart. Looking at the weekly, same thing, right? Overbought. Daily, it is overbought as well, right? But there's a pullback. From 483, we went down to 112, bounced back, and it was close like around 200-ish. And then the next day, just surge again to 300, 400, and then it closed at 325. Now there's a low and high, basically from the bar to bar, right? Low and high, we're basically making this. So can we hit 500? Yes, I can say 500 is possible. Yes, let me repeat again. 500 is possible. So $1,000, let's take a look here. So this is the amazing part, right? I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna expand this expansion up to 30%. Let's take a look here. All right. So I can go to 800, and maybe I can go more. Let's take a look if I can do that or not. 30% is the highest right now. So let's take a look. All right, let me pull my Fibonacci here, right? Maybe I'm doing this incorrectly. Maybe I'm doing this not incorrectly. We'll see. So from the highest, I'm gonna pull all the way to 112. That was the last price. All right. Oops, I don't want that. Now, look at that. The 127, that's a 584. 584, that's also the Fibonacci. And then 161, if we're looking at this 161, let me go bring the, can I add that? Yeah. I want to do the 127, 423. Oh, you know what? I already have that. So let me delete that and enable that one. I don't know what's the number though. It's like beyond there. So my goal, I mean, just want to show you guys Fibonacci 500. Yes, it's possible. I think we can break this by next week if there's a power surge. Maybe, let's put it this time frame. By mid-February, I think we can go up to 500. That is a potential number. Okay. Now the next one target will be 584. Yes, it is possible as well. The next one is 713. Now, let's talk, be real, right? GameStop, $700. I don't know. Long term, maybe. I mean, short term, yes, it is maybe, but long term, I don't think so. I think it will start pulling back again and below 150. I'm keeping it real here. 150 to 100, between 100 to 200. That will be my projection. Can it go back to 10? Maybe not, because I think the valuation, seeing from the financial, the company is growing as well from year to year, right? there's a potential growth with this company, and also with the esport is coming, right? Or esport is here. Everybody is playing online game. I mean, come on, GameStop can be a hub of the whole gaming industry as well, online gaming industry. So it can be pretty awesome if partnership with Microsoft can be make it really, really good, right? That will be the potential. I can see this company can explode more, between 100 to 200, or could be more. Now let's talk $1,000. Yes, it is possible. I'm not gonna say no, um, because the volume is huge, and even like Friday volume, it's higher than Thursday, right? Um, so I don't know. For me, it seems like possible, but long term, I don't think that $1,000 will hold. I think there's gonna be a pullback eventually. All right, so let's keep it real. GME, $500, yes, I can say that. 584 is a yes, and 713 is a yes. $1,000 is still a questionable number, but it's possible if we can see next week, or let's say following 2 weeks, we can see a surge on volume. It just keep ramping up. Now there's a caveat: broker restriction and all that stuff, right? Things can happen. SEC can come in and you just like, that's it, GME no longer traded. Or I don't think they can say that, but or maybe they will say, you know what, we're gonna do the investigation. Shitty stuff will come, right? Then yeah, it is possible as well. All right, let's go move on. MC. All right, MC, let's take a look on monthly 20 years. 34. All right. I like this. I really like this. 34. I mean, if you can see, GME 64 blew up pretty quick. I think AMC has potential. Although the COVID stuff, with theater, they're still closed, right? I mean, some of them open in certain states, but yeah, I mean, in my area they close, or they have restricted some seatings, or some days, I guess. So but Regal, um it closed right now, which is the one that close to my house. But AMC, it's possibly closed because governor stuff. Anyway, yeah, we're hitting the resistance here. Let me mark it, which is, this is a good stuff. We're doing research here, right? What can we do? That guy right there, right? So low, support, 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 go up, support, breach, go up again, and then break down, hit the resistance, right? And then after that breakdown, it cannot go up anymore. Now we do have a surge here, which is great. Volume is also supporting it. So I can see this guy hitting 20 again, and we'll see if it's gonna keep continuing hitting 20. I can see a breakout to back to 34, and it also possible to 50. If people want to push this. Now let's take a look from the Fibonacci stuff. So we can just pull from this guy to here. Let's say the low at that time, it was $2. Oh, $1.94 as a support, right? 191. Now see that 61 8, which is this 22-ish. 127 is 43, and then 161, which is 54. It is possible. Yes, I say it one more time. $20 break, we can see this guy move fast. All right, so this is the stuff that I want to be involved as well. Yes, it is risky. This one has a lot of potential to move as well. So I do like this chart. Yes, I am chasing it. It's been running for $1.91 all the way to $13. So it's 13x, or maybe it's 7x, so $14. Let's put it that way, right? For $2 to 14, which is times 7, so 7x. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else I can think of. I mean, yeah, you just have to play with the money that you're willing to lose at this point right now. Do I recommend to put your saving and all that stuff here? No, I don't recommend it. Just play with what you're willing to lose, because if this thing go down, it can go down fast. It can go up fast. It can go down fast. All right, guys. So that's basically what I have. Um, just want to show you guys um, my research on GME. Can it go to 500? I can say yes. AMC, can it go to 34? Yes, as long as you break the 34 level, or I'm sorry, $20 level resistance. If that break, yes, I can say it can go up to 34 and then go to 40 something, 50. Easy, right? So that's pretty much. Now, if you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe. Hit the like buttons, share with your friends, and if you have subscribed, thanks for your support and follow. Take care, guys. Have a good night.